Hello students, welcome to our today lecture. Today we are covering what is process. So dear students, basically to understand the concept of process, first of all you have an idea regarding program. Okay, so basically what is an program? So dear students, basically a program is a combination of codes which are used to perform a specific task. Okay, so now what is an process? So whenever you are executing an program, or you can say that whenever our program is in execution mode, it is known as process. Okay, here we are covering two things. Number one is program and number two is process. What is program? Combination of codes which is used to perform some specific task. Then process, a process is a program in execution mode. Okay, so whenever you are running your program, at that time this program is known as process. Now dear students, basically a process is a combination of four sections. Okay, or we can say that a process is divided into four sections. Our first section is tag, our second section is heap, our third section is text, and our fourth section is data. Now question is, what is tag? So whenever you have to store temporary data, or you can say that whenever we have to return the address, or whenever we have to mention local variable, at that time we are considering the help of tag, or we can say that this section is used for temporary storage purpose, which can store our temporary data. Now our second section is, that is heap. Why we are using heap? So dear students, basically the concept of heap is used for dynamic memory allocation. Okay, or we can say that whenever we are executing our program, or whenever it is in the mode of process. Okay, so again whenever we are executing our program, so at that time we require some memory. For that memory allocation we are using the concept of heap section, or we can say that basically whenever we have the requirement of dynamic memory allocation, at that time we are taking the help of heap section. Then we have our third section, that is text. So why we are using text? So dear students, whenever we have to store the value of our program counter, okay, and whenever we have to store the content of our processor register, at that time we are taking the help of text section. Then dear students, we have our fourth section, that is data section. So when we are storing our global or static variable, at that time we are taking the help of data section. So today we are covering basically four section of a process. Our first section is tag for temporary data, second section is heap for dynamic memory allocation, third section is text for storing the value, and the fourth section is data, which is used for global and static variable. So dear students, thank you for joining our today lecture.